In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell event tickets on Squarespace. Selling tickets for your events online can be a game changer, giving you a simple way to manage sales, track attendance, and create a professional experience for your audience. Squarespace makes this process intuitive, and with just a few steps, you'll have your tickets ready to sell directly from your website. Let's dive in and get started. First, log into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, select the site where you'd like to sell your event tickets. If you manage multiple sites, be sure to pick the one where the event will be hosted. This ensures everything stays organized and connected to the right audience. Next, head over to the Products and Services section in your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you manage all the items or services you offer. Once you're there, click into the Products tab. Almost immediately switch to the Services tab. Now, you might be wondering why we're listing tickets under Services instead of Products. That's because event tickets aren't physical items. They represent access or admission to an experience, which Squarespace categorizes as a service. This distinction helps keep everything properly organized. Now, click Add Services to start creating your ticket listing. This is where you'll set up all the details for your ticketed event. Begin by entering a name for your service. The name is the first thing your attendees will see, so make it clear and specific. For example, you could use something like Event Ticket or Summer Jazz Night Ticket. A straightforward title ensures there's no confusion about what this listing represents. After naming your ticket, write a detailed description. This is where you'll include all the essential information your attendees need to know. Be sure to cover the event date and time, the location, and what the ticket includes. For instance, if the ticket comes with perks like refreshments or reserved seating, mention that here. You can also add any other important details, like dress codes or entry requirements. A good description sets clear expectations and builds trust with your audience. Now, it's time to add an image to your ticket listing. A visual element like an event poster or your logo makes the listing more appealing and professional. If you don't have an image ready just yet, don't worry, you can always upload one later. But if you do have something on hand, this is a great opportunity to enhance your ticket's presentation. Next, set the price and quantity for your tickets. Make sure the price reflects the value of your event and covers any costs you need to account for. For the quantity, choose a number that matches the available seats or spots for your event. This helps you avoid overselling and ensures you're providing a smooth experience for your attendees. Before wrapping up, take a moment to review the additional settings and options. Squarespace gives you tools to customize things like categories, scheduling, and even custom forms. For example, if you want to collect specific details from attendees like dietary preferences for a dinner event, you can use a custom form to gather that information. If you don't need these features, you can skip them for now. Once everything looks good, double-check all your details and click Save. Keep in mind, it may take a moment for your new ticket listing to appear on your site. If you don't see it right away, just refresh the page and it should show up. And that's it. You've just created a ticket listing on Squarespace. By following these steps, you're now ready to sell event tickets directly through your website, giving your audience an easy and professional way to secure their spot. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.